Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have had these mini twists in my hair for the past 2 weeks, and I'm going to show you guys a few styles that you can easily rock with mini twists in your hair. Really, for the first style is this. I have actually just moved all the twists to the side and wearing them. Y'all, this one is not staying in place. I'm trying to get it to stay over here and it keeps going over here.
Like, it's going this way. Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like, whoop, like, no, go do.
So really just this side part look is super cute. I actually didn't like how the twists were looking just wearing the part down the middle. So if I do wear the twist down and wear them out, I prefer this side part. The second style is going to be a ponytail with this side part. And in my mini twist video, I already showed you guys just a regular ponytail with all the twists hanging with my middle part. So I actually think I like it better with all of the twists actually in the ponytail. And y'all, when I tell y'all these twists are my new go-to summer style, like they have been so convenient. I've really been loving just waking up, not having to do anything to my hair, and just go. For the next style, I actually twist my mini twist. So I'm gonna start by, I think for this one, I'm just going to twist this side. And it's like doing one big flat twist. Oh, this is cute. Oh yeah, I like this. So this is super cute, simple, easy. As y'all can see, that literally just took me 3 seconds to just flat twist this side of the mini twist. For the next style, I'm going to flat twist the top of these twists, still leaving it in this side part. So this is another super easy, just cute, simple style. So for this next one, I'm going to go back to my middle part and just flat twist a few top pieces on each side. So this is the next super cute, super simple style. So next, I'm just going to do this super high top knot bun. So I'm just pulling all the twists to the top. And then gonna wrap them around to hide the scrunchie as much as I can. So this is another easy style to do with your mini twists. I just wanted to come on and show you guys a few more styles. I did a couple at the end of my mini twist video right after I got done styling. So again, if you have not seen that video, make sure you go watch that one. Let me know if you have tried them after watching my other video. And stay tuned if you want to see the takedown, because I am getting ready to take these down and just see what my twist style is looking like. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.